Picchu, the little llama with a big heart high in the majestic Andes Mountains of Peru, nestled among ancient ruins and breathtaking landscapes, lived a young llama named Picchu. Picchu was a curious and adventurous little llama, always eager to explore and learn about the world around him. He lived with his family in a small herd near the famous site of Machu Picchu, a place filled with history and wonder. One sunny morning, while grazing on the lush green grass near the edge of the ruins, Picchu noticed something shiny buried in the ground. His curiosity piqued. He used his small hooves to dig it up. To his amazement, he unearthed an ancient golden pendant, intricately carved with symbols of the Inca civilization. Picchu knew this was no ordinary object. He had heard stories from his elders about the treasures of the Inca, hidden and lost over centuries. Determined to learn more about the pendant, Picchu set off on a journey to find someone who could help him understand its significance. Picchu's adventure took him through the rugged terrains of the Andes. Along the way, he encountered various animals, each offering wisdom and assistance. He met Chaska, a wise old condor who soared above the mountains, and asked for her guidance. Chaska told Picchu that the pendant was a piece of a larger puzzle that could unlock the secrets of the ancient Inca. She directed him to visit Mama Quilla, the moon goddess, who resided in a hidden valley illuminated by the moon's soft glow. After a long and arduous trek, Picchu finally reached the hidden valley. There, under the serene light of the full moon, he met Mama Quilla. The goddess, with her gentle and calming presence, welcomed Picchu and examined the pendant. She revealed that the pendant was one of several sacred artifacts created by the Inca to protect their wisdom and knowledge. These artifacts, when brought together, would reveal the path to the Inca's greatest treasure, a hidden city of untold riches and ancient knowledge. Mama Quilla bestowed upon Picchu the task of finding the remaining artifacts and entrusted him with a map that would guide his way. Picchu embarked on his quest with renewed determination. His journey took him to various parts of the Andes, where he faced numerous challenges and made new friends. He found the second artifact, a silver chalice, guarded by a family of alpacas who lived near a crystal-clear lake. The third artifact, a jade figurine, was hidden in a dense forest and protected by a mischievous group of monkeys. With each artifact he found, Picchu learned valuable lessons about bravery, friendship, and perseverance. His travels also brought him closer to understanding the rich history and culture of the Inca civilization. The final artifact, a sapphire amulet, was said to be located deep within a sacred cave, guarded by Inti, the sun god. Picchu's journey to the cave was the most challenging yet, involving steep climbs and narrow paths. However, his determination never wavered. Upon reaching the cave, Picchu was greeted by Inti's radiant light. The sun god, impressed by Picchu's courage and dedication, willingly gave him the sapphire amulet. With all the artifacts in his possession, Picchu's quest was nearly complete. Following the map's instructions, Picchu made his way back to Machu Picchu, where the ruins seemed to come alive with ancient energy. As he placed each artifact in its designated spot, the ground trembled, and a hidden passageway opened before him. With a heart full of anticipation, Picchu entered the passageway and discovered the hidden city. The city was a marvel of architecture and beauty, filled with golden structures, intricate carvings, and ancient scrolls detailing the wisdom of the Inca. Picchu's discovery was celebrated far and wide, and he became a legend among the animals of the Andes. His adventure had not only uncovered a lost treasure, but had also brought to light the importance of courage, knowledge, and the preservation of history. Picchu returned to his herd, forever changed by his journey. He shared his stories and the wisdom he had gained, inspiring others to embark on their own adventures and to cherish the rich heritage of their ancestors. Picchu, the little llama with a big heart, is a story of bravery, discovery, and the enduring legacy of the Inca civilization, reminding us all that even the smallest among us can achieve great things with a big heart and an adventurous spirit.